Well, we will discuss things more, but I just wanted to close and say that Papa really wants to chat. He wants to spend time with us and just discuss things, lead us through life, and we need to ask that our spiritual ears and eyes and our five senses are open, that we can hear him clearly. Why do we want to hear him clearly? Well, when we can hear him clearly, then we can be directed. And if we're directed, then in even the most challenging circumstances, what happens is that we can make decisions easily, and we don't lose our peace because we're living with the Prince of Peace. And we can go to sleep like David, even in the worst times when he was being pursued. He trusted God so much that he could actually get a good night's sleep. And we can wake up with joy, with a song in our heart, because that's how we've been created.